Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another SFHD tech video. So is your iPad running slow or your iPad freezes or lags? So today I'm going to show you how to speed up your iPad. So today I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can do this. So you can try it on your iPad. So hey guys, this is SFHD tech. If you're new to my channel, definitely consider subscribing the channel and press that bell icon so you won't miss these types of videos. So now let's get in the video and see how can you speed up your iPad. So the main reason that iPhones just sometimes loses to Androids when it comes to speed test is the animation duration is a bit long, but it's very smooth. Some people like, some people doesn't like it, but for me this is a bit long. So let me show you how can you reduce this first of all, because this is one of the major problems in iPad OS. And you can see accessibilities, and you can see here an option called motion. Let me reduce the brightness a bit, and you can go to this motion and you can just enable it, and you can just enable these two, and you can see the animation is now much smoother and it doesn't have any animations at all. So this is similar to Android's reduce animation 0.5x like that. So nothing will happen, the animations will be super quick, so you don't need to worry about that. And that's the first thing that you can do to speed up your iPad. And if you have an iPad Pro 2020, I think you must not try this, because the 120Hz displays on those iPads just make this animation a bit quicker and smoother. So unless you have a very old iPad, you must not try this feature. But if you like, you can try it yourself, and make sure that you comment down below and share your experience with us. So guys, the next feature is that in iPad OS you cannot clear all of these apps at the same time. So you might know that you must do like this and just clear all, but the best solution for that is you can download this app called CPU, and from this app you can see that when you go to memory it says 3GB RAM, and when you go to here you can see my RAM is a bit freed up, and you can see you can press this option and it will take some time to restore this memory, and after that you can see the space left, and you can see free space is 584 MB. So you don't need to worry clearing all of these apps at the same time. So your iPad will run smooth, and your RAM management on your iPad will also be much better. And the third reason is that make sure that you have the latest OS, and you can see here iPad OS 14.2. so if you have a very old iPad, just upgrade it to the latest version available, or you can jailbreak it, but I will do a separate video about that. And that's all you can do. That's the major 3 things that you must consider to make sure that your iPad is running flawlessly and very faster. And you can see it's now very good now, no lags and nothing on my iPad. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely consider subscribing the channel and pressing that bell icon so you won't miss these types of awesome new tech videos. So this is SFHD Tech, and I'll catch you in my next video guys. Stay safe.